If you stay zero carb, do you find you can go longer on the fast and not eat those cashews? So I haven't had cashews, and so the answer to that is I just don't eat cashews. And that's been my answer. Like it's a slippery slope thingy, and I don't eat cashews. So that being said, when I'm zero carb, I'm zero carb. And so I feel like what you're asking me is, do I overeat? I feel like that's really the question. And so let me answer that question. Since taking the cashews out of the story, no, I don't overeat. I eat one meal a day, every day. Unless I'm hungry. If I'm hungry, I'll have another meal, and it's probably going to be like eggs and something, or a bunch of bacon, but enough to make a meal. So yeah, I feel like when I'm hungry, I just eat food, whatever food I'm going to eat. My fasts, they're 24 hours. They're always 24 hours. And so let me just stop and think about that for a second. This holiday season is probably going to be one of the first times that I'm fasting from a position where I'm like my lowest carb intake per week ever. Because last year at this time, I think I was still allowing in more vegetables. Not to say that it was that much more, but it was more. So I think I was still eating broccoli. I think I was still cooking vegetables, where I haven't cooked a vegetable. In a long time. Actually, maybe last year I did the same thing. I'm not 100% sure. But I was still eating olives back then, which I'm not eating now, which is what has cut down one of my servings. Yes, that's what it was. Last year I was doing olives and avocado every other. I've dropped the olives just because, again, I'm a lazy eater. Like, having to put those pits out is just a pain for me. So I've stopped doing that. So this season will be the first time that I'm doing this from a perspective of I basically only eat avocado. Once in a blue moon, I'll have a salad, which is actually it's once every 2 weeks-ish I have a salad. So that's the difference, I think, right now. And so I will see, John. I guess I'll be able to answer that question in the coming few months, because that's when I'm going to know for sure what that looks like.